Hi, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ram. Today we are going to learn how to write a biography. So what is a biography? It is the story of a person's life written by somebody else. It is narrative in form and proceeds chronologically to relate to the major events of a person's life. Suppose you have been asked in the exam, write a biography in 300 to 350 words about the topic given below. Suppose the topic is write a biography about the person you admired most in your life. Topic number 2, write a biography about a famous person. So before writing it, I want to share some quick tips for you. Number 1 is mind-boggling. This is very important point or tips. Mind-boggling means prepare an outline of a topic. Whether it is a letter writing, essay writing, biography writing, report writing or notice writing. Mind-boggling is very important. Number 2, write it in simple language, use short paragraphs and must follow chronological order. Here are some more steps while writing it. Step number 1 is choose a famous person. It may be any political figure, a cricketer or an actor or a politician. Step number 2, gather as much as information about the person. Number 3, take down notes about the significant things like major events, incidents about the person's life. Number 4, organize the details in a chronological order. This is the most important point. 5 is analyze a person's influence and motivation. Number 6 is share the person's impact on you. So let's make it more clear through a sample in a brief way. Number 1 is introduction. Suppose you have been asked to write a biography about Mahatma Gandhi ji. So first paragraph should be your introduction. In introduction there are 2 steps. First is full name of the person, date and place of birth and why he or she is famous. For example, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Why he is famous? He is known as the father of nation in India. Step number 2, early life, family background and education. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhiji and his mother's name was Putlibai Gandhiji. If I'll talk about education, he completed his early education in India. Then he studied law in England and later worked as an advocate in South Africa. Point number 3, achievements, life works. In it, important contributions and achievements. Mahatma Gandhiji led India's freedom struggle using non-violence and taught us to fight injustice without violence. Number 4, awards and honors. As I have earlier told you, he is known as the father of nation in India, but as worldwide. He is known for his principle of non-violence. Death. He was assassinated on January 30, 1948. Point number 6, conclusion. You have to conclude all the topic in the last. In a nutshell, why the person is remembered or message or inspiration. For example, in a nutshell, Mahatma Gandhiji's life teaches us simplicity, truth and peace. And Mahatma Gandhiji remains as a symbol of non-violence and moral strength. And even today, his message is relevant for all ages. So that's enough for today. If you found the video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.